Hello everybody, it's Boom again and I am back for another tutorial video to hopefully help you guys earn more points for you to be able to travel the world for free. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your American Express to Rakuten in order for you to earn points while you're shopping online. So what is Rakuten? Rakuten is an e-commerce and online service company that provides a platform for shopping and earning cashback. Nowadays, you do see a lot of banks, hotels, airline programs. Everybody has a shopping portal for you to be able to earn points or cashback. However, Rakuten is the only shopping portal that gives you the ability to earn American Express membership rewards points. Now let me show you how you can earn American Express MR points on your Rakuten account. You need two things in order to get this done. First, you need to be a card member of an Amex MR points earning card. Second, you need a Rakuten account. If you don't have one yet, I would highly appreciate if you sign up using my link down below. The first thing that you need to do is log on to your Rakuten account. I'm already logged in. You go to the right hand side. As you can see, my current option is on cashback. I reverted it just so I can show you guys this option. You click on that down arrow. You go to account settings. And under account settings, you scroll down and there are three main ways that you get paid on Rakuten. You can get paid using the big fat check that they mail directly to your account. You can get paid via PayPal. And my favorite option is earning MR points. So you select that option. Now this is gonna pop up. You click get started. Now it's gonna ask you to log on to two different things. One, to your American Express account so that it can connect it, and then the other one, it will try to verify and make sure that you do actually have access to this particular Rakuten account. So let's verify our American Express card. Click login, put your login information. Now it's gonna ask you, hey, is this true? Is this you? And I say yes on my phone. Now it's gonna tell you, congratulations, your American Express account is eligible. Like I said, this will only work if you have a card that is MR earning. If it's not, it won't work. So now it's saying, okay, you can earn MR points. It was that easy. So sometimes, actually, when you first start setting up your account, like I said, it's gonna ask you to verify your American Express account, and sometimes it will ask you to verify your email. So you have to make sure that you have access to all of those. Now let me show you the things that I earned, or the amount of points I have earned using Rakuten. So far I have earned 16,136 MR because I can stretch the value of my points. Normally in cashback terms, this is $161 if you earn it through cashback. Now, whenever I'm using that amount of points to transfer to partners of American Express, I can easily redeem it with about a value of 2 times or 3 times, depending on how you redeem it. And that is exactly why I value getting Rakuten to MR points instead of getting cashback, because I can stretch the value of my online redemptions. Now let me show you how much I've gotten with it. As you can see, every time I can do it, I will redeem it using this. This was before I figured out how to do this. However, I think this has been going on since 2019. And ever since I've done it, I've earned a bunch of points, and it automatically transfers to your American Express account. So you don't have to do anything yourself. You can see I've earned here, and then it goes and it transfers directly to my account. I think I even earned some MRs using TurboTax. So every time, even before I say buy makeup, right? I barely buy makeup nowadays, and whenever you do, I like to check first if it's on Rakuten to see if I can get 5x, 8x, you know. It's little, but it all adds up in the end. And you can see, for some reason, they sent me, I don't know what happened to my account, how it went back to cashback, but they gave me $30. I'm not mad about it, but it could have been 3,000 points, which I could have turned into $60 worth in points instead. But hey, I still got free money. That's what matters. So now the question for you is, would you rather have cashback or would you rather earn MR points instead? There is no correct answer. Everybody is very different in their situation. Some people prefer cashback. Some people prefer MR points earning like me. Just because I know that I am able to stretch out the value of my points more if I redeem it using Amex MR points. Anyway, if you do have any questions, let me know. Feel free to ask down below and I will try my best to answer all your questions. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something, and till the next one. See ya!